Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This video is a special request by one of my darling subscribers to illustrate one of the designs I have showcased on this channel. So this is the style I am going to illustrate. So looking at this style, you can see this is a lovely draped skirt. Okay, this is a stylish draped skirt. So the first thing to do is to cut out your basic skirt block. So this is representing the front and the back. Okay, next thing is open both blocks this way. Okay, so you open the front and the back. So the one on the right hand side is the front block, and the one on the left hand side is the back block, having the zip allowance. Okay, so now from the waist on the left hand side, just mark 7 inches from the waist and connect it to the hem as seen. Okay, so just connect it to the hem. So now you come over to the right hand side, you measure 10 inches. You know, on the left hand side I measured 7 inches, but here you'll be measuring 10 inches. Okay, you connect to the hem. So this is the front and the back. I've already measured the 7 and the 10 inches on both sides of the front block, and I connected it to the hem. So look at the front. I made a duplicate of the front and I have the back up there. So I made a duplicate of the front, so I'm gonna place one duplicate underneath, and I'm going to use the tracing wheel. As you can see, that's the tracing wheel. So I'm gonna use the tracing wheel to trace it. Okay, so you trace the one on the right and also the one on the left. So this is the right one, so you trace from the left to the right to meet at the hem. Okay, so trace both. Okay, on the one underneath. So cut out the right piece. So this is the right piece in orange color. So I've already traced it out and I cut it out. So the next one is cut out of both. Okay, so what I'm literally saying is you cut out the right part and the left piece. Okay, so this is the right piece and the left, and both of them together. Okay, so I placed the both of them together and I have this. So I'm gonna place the front on the back. Okay, so before I do that, I need to slash it. Okay, so I'm gonna apply the slash and spread method, the slash and spread technique. Okay, so this is a slash and spread technique. So I'm gonna spread it. Okay, so you get your masking tape, and you spread it using your masking tape to glue it down. So I'm gonna show us the result. So this is the outcome. So can you see the outcome? So I know some of you might be wondering, so what am I gonna do to this outcome? Okay, so I'm gonna get it pleated. Okay, so but before I pleat it, I'm gonna place both sides together. So this is the right side and the left side, place them together. So the right one, I am gonna pleat it. Okay, so you can see it is pleated. Okay, so this is pleated, so this part is pleated. So after pleating it, so I'm gonna place it on the other parts. So this represents the front part. Okay, this represents the front part of the skirt, showing us the draped parts. Okay, so this is what draping is all about, using slash and spread method. So the next one, I'm gonna place it on the black block. Okay, the back block. So I'm gonna place the front and the back together. So as you can see, this is the front and the back together. Okay, so this is what draping is all about. So this is the final result. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up and expect more of these tutorials, fashion pattern illustrations. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video.